Today we are going to discuss the topic entropy of a perfect gas, which is important for 5 marks and also for 10 marks. Sometimes it is asked for 10 marks plus adding problem. We are going to derive the equation for the entropy of a perfect gas. Consider 1 mole of perfect gas at pressure P and temperature T and occupying volume V. A perfect gas is having pressure P and at temperature T and is occupying some volume V. If dq be the amount of heat given to the gas, when we give dq amount of heat is given to the gas, the increase in entropy can be written as, increase in entropy means ds, change in entropy, ds is equals to dq by T. Here, by first law of thermodynamics, from first law of thermodynamics, we know that from first law of thermodynamics, we know that dq amount of heat is given to any system. The sum amount of energy is used to change its internal energy, and remaining some amount is used for work done. So dq is equals to du plus dw. So du means du k plus du p, where du is equals to duk plus dup. So here, according to first law of thermodynamics, we have dq is equals to du plus dw. Here dq is equals to du can be written as, du can be increase in internal energy of the gas. Du is the increase in internal energy of the gas, can be written as cv dt, and where work done dw can be written as, external work can be written as p dv. So here work done dw means, here we know that work is equals to force into displacement, change in displacement. Displacement s can be taken or x can be taken, displacement. So here also same, work done is equals to force into, here displacement means volume, so dv. So change in work done can be represented as p into dv. So you have written in place of dw p dv. In the same way, here change in internal energy due to change in temperature can be written as cv dt, where cv means at constant volume how much heat energy is absorbed or released per unit mass of the gas. With respect to change in temperature can be written as change in internal energy, cv dt. So when we substitute this, dq is equals to equation number 2 and equation number 1, we are substituting this value here in the place of dq. We get change in entropy of gas, ds is equals to cv dt plus p dv by t by t. ds is equals to cv dt by t plus p dv by t. This is the entropy equation of perfect gas, but here it is in terms of TPV. It is in terms of TVP. Now we are going to express in terms of volume and temperature to express in terms of volume and temperature, only in volume and temperature. So we have to eliminate P, pressure value, pressure wherever it is P in the equation, we have to eliminate. For eliminating P, we know that ideal gas equation, PV is equals to RT, nRT, we are taking here 1 mole of gas, N is equals to 1, PV is equals to RT. So P is equals to RT by V. So substituting wherever we have P value, we substitute P is equals to RT by V. For eliminating P, to express this equation in only volume and temperature. So here P is there, we are substituting ds is equals to Cv dt by T plus, in the place of P, RT plus V into dV by T. Here T gets cancelled. So this can be written as ds is equals to Cv dt by T plus R into dV by V. This is the equation of entropy of perfect gas. To express this equation in terms of volume and temperature, we have eliminated P by using ideal gas equation PV is equals to RT. We substituted P is equals to RT by V and we got this equation. Now to express the entropy, the change in entropy ds can be written as SF minus SI, entropy at final stage minus entropy at initial stage equals to change in entropy when the gas changes from initial state having volume Vi and temperature Ti to final state volume Vf, Tf can be obtained by integrating the above equation 2 within proper limits. We have to integrate this equation within the limits volume V initial and temperature T initial to volume V final to temperature T final state. When dq amount of heat is given to a gas from initial state having volume V initial to V temperature T initial to, it got changed to final state having volume Vf to Vf and temperature Tf. So we are integrating this equation by applying the proper limits. So ds can be written as SF minus Si which equals to, now integrating here in internal energy, change in internal energy, there is change in temperature. So we apply integral T initial to T final, temperature initial to temperature finals, Cv dt by T. Here in work done, external work done, here change in volume only, so we apply integral V initial state to V final state R into dV by V. So here Cv is constant, so we write it out of the integral Ti Tf dt by T plus here R is a ideal gas constant which is also a constant, we write it out of the integral. So Vi, V of integral Vi, V of 1 by V dV. Here Cv, we know that integral 1 by x dx can be written as log x, here log t, limits Ti Tf plus R into integral 1 by V dV log V, limits lower limit, upper limit. Substituting limits, this can be written as log T final upper limit minus log initial Ti temperature initial plus R into log of V final minus log of V initial. This is here in the form of log m minus n, can be written as log Tf by Ti plus R into, this is log Vf by Vi. Log m minus n log m by n. This is the change in entropy in terms of volume and temperature. We have eliminated pressure P by using ideal gas equation and applying proper limits and integrating this equation. We got this. For 1 mole of gas, change in entropy is equals to 2.3026 into this equation, Cv log Tf by Ti plus R into log Vf by Vi. This is the final equation. In terms of volume and temperature, we eliminated pressure. Now we have to express this equation in terms of temperature and pressure. We will eliminate volume, and we also express this equation in terms of pressure and volume. We eliminate temperature. We will do now. To express in terms of temperature and pressure, we have to eliminate V terms. Here there is no V, here there is V, dV, and here Cv. So we have to eliminate V and dV from equation 1 to express this equation in terms of temperature and pressure only. So we use ideal gas equation. We have this ideal gas equation, PV is equals to RT. We need dV, so we differentiate this equation. So differentiation of PV plus differentiation of RT. So R is a constant, so R into this becomes dt, R dt. So here this is in U into V form. So we write P into dV plus V into dP. So finally we need dV. So we keep dV term this side and we send this term to that side. P dV is equals to R dt minus V dP. So finally dV is equals to R dt minus V dP by P. In the place of dV, we have to substitute this. Now we are going to substitute ds is equals to Cv dt by T plus P into, we have dV, we have to substitute dV this term. So we are substituting R into dt minus V dP by P. So dt we write here same. So here PP gets cancelled. So finally we have V into dt by T. This can be written as R into dt by T minus V into dP by T. Here also dt by T is there. Here also dt by T is there. So we common out dt by T. We get Cv plus R minus V into dP by T. We also know that the ideal gas constant R is equals to Cp minus Cv. So we, to eliminate V term Cv, to eliminate Cv, we use this Cp is equals to Cv plus R. In the place of Cv plus R, we write Cp. So this becomes Cp dt by T minus V into dP by T. We have to eliminate V also. So in the place of V, we can substitute by using ideal gas equation. V is equals to RT by P. So we substitute V is equals to RT by P here. So we get Cp dt by T minus, substituting in the place of V, RT by P into dP by T. Tt gets cancelled and we get here Cp dt by T minus R into dP by P. This is equation number 3. We got this equation in terms of temperature and pressure only. We have eliminated V and dV completely. There is no V and dV here in this equation. Now integrating this equation within proper limits. proper limits temperature T initial, pressure P initial to initial state to temperature T final, pressure P final. Using these limits, we integrate this equation. We get we write ds is as sf minus si. So is equals to, we are integrating this integral here, change in temperature, so T initial to T final Cp dt by T minus integral here, change in pressure, so P initial to P final dP by P. So Cp is constant, we write it out of the integral. So integral 1 by x dx same as before. Integral 1 by t dt is log of t log t having limits ti and tf minus, here r is there, r is constant, we write it out of the integral. Integral 1 by p dp is written as log p initial state to t final state. Now here this can be written as Cp log of upper limit minus lower limit can be written as, this can be written as log Tf minus log Ti. This can be written as log Tf by Ti. This can also be written as log Pf by Pi. This value can be written as log of T final by T initial minus r into log of P final by P initial. For 1 mole of gas, change in entropy is equals to 2.3026 into this equation can be written as, write in here, Cp log of T final by T initial minus r into log of P final by P initial for 1 mole of gas. This is the equation. In terms of temperature and pressure, we have eliminated volume terms V and dV and Cv. So now we have to express this equation in terms of pressure and volume. We eliminate temperature terms, T terms, T and dt terms in this equation. Now we are going to express this equation in terms of pressure and volume. We are going to eliminate T and dt terms by using ideal gas equation. Same, T can be, in the place of T we write PV by R. In the place of dt we differentiate this equation. Dt is equals to differentiation of P into V by R, where R is a constant. So dt can be written as differentiation, this is in u into 4 into dv plus v into dp by R. In the place of dt we substitute this value. So we are substituting in the place of t this value and in the place of dt this value. So ds change in entropy Cv, in the place of dt we write this integral P dv plus V dp by R. In the place of t we are going to write this here 1 by t, so we write this in reciprocal form. So R by PV plus P into dv, here also by dt, is there. So in the place of t we write PV by R, so 1 by t, so we write it reciprocal, it becomes PV into R. We have substituted reciprocally. In the place of t we substituted PV by R. So here PP gets cancelled, and here RR gets cancelled. Now ds is equals to Cv into, we write this splitting, this can be written as P dV by PV plus V dP by PV plus R into dV by V. So here VV gets cancelled, here PP gets cancelled. So multiplying ds is equals to Cv, multiplying with Cv, dV by V plus Cv into dP by P plus R into dV by V. Here dV by V is here also, and dV by here, dV by V here also there. So we will take it common. Cv plus R into dV by V plus Cv into dP by P. In the place of Cv plus R, here by using this we can write Cv plus R, we can write Cp. So Cp dV by dV plus Cv dP by P. This is the equation. This equation can be written as equation number 4. Now integrating this equation, same as we done in last two equations, integrating this equation within proper limits, volume initial Vi2, temperature, pressure at Vi2, final state Vf to Pf. So applying these boundary conditions, we integrate this equation number 4. So we write ds as df minus di, entropy at final state minus entropy at initial state. So Cp integral, we are applying here change in volume, so volume initial to volume final state, Cp dV by V plus here integral, we are here change in pressure, so pressure at initial state minus initial state to pressure at final state, integral Cv dP by P. So Cp is constant, we write it out of the integral. So integral 1 by V into dV can be written as log of V limits, under the limits Vi Vf plus Cv is constant, so we write it out of the integral. So integral Pi Pf 1 by P dP can be written as log P Pi Pf limits Sf minus Si. When we apply limits, when we substitute limits, log of Vf minus log of Vi plus into Cv into log of Pf minus log of Pi, upper limit minus lower limit. So we got this. So Cp into this can be written as log of Vf by Vi. Log m minus log n can be written as log m by n plus Cv into log of Pf by Pi. This is the equation. Change of entropy of perfect gas in terms of pressure and volume. We eliminated T and dt from this equation. So we got this. For 1 mole of gas, Sf minus Si is equals to 2.3026 into this equation 3p log Vf by Vi plus Cv log Pf by Pi. This is the 10 marks question. For expressing the equation in terms of volume and temperature, we eliminate P terms. For expressing this equation in terms of temperature and pressure, we eliminate V, dV, Cv terms. And for expressing this equation in terms of P and V, we eliminate all temperature dt comma dt terms from the equation. This is the entropy of perfect gas. Most important question for 5 marks and 10 marks. Rare cases it will be asked for 10 marks by adding problem. Thank you.